We all appreciate great service. That's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.